Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in cPanel step by step. Whether you're building a blog, store, or business site, you can get it running in just a few minutes. First, log into your hosting account and open cPanel. You'll see lots of icons, but don't worry, we only need one tool for this setup. Scroll down to the section called Softaculous Apps Installer, or sometimes it's labeled WordPress Manager. Click the WordPress icon. Now click Install Now. Choose your domain from the drop-down. For site settings, enter your website name and tagline. You can always change these later. Then, set up your admin username, password, and email. Keep them safe because you'll need them to log into your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down, choose your preferred language, and leave the other options as default unless you know what you're changing. At the bottom, click Install. That's it. After a few seconds, WordPress will be installed. And now your WordPress site is ready to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions.